Hi! This little device has changed our lives. If you go into a store these days, it might seem like business is slow, but in reality, these stores are very busy filling online orders that have to go out for delivery the same day. Customer demands are skyrocketing, and independent contract drivers are needed in virtually every market in the US and especially in the markets listed here. If you live anywhere near these markets and you can meet the preferred criteria listed, there is an immediate need for your services. Even if you don't meet all the criteria, you should still fill out our profile. We have hundreds of clients looking for drivers, and some require less qualifications than others. The larger the vehicle you have, the more money you can make. So if you want to upgrade your vehicle size, we can help you with a lease. Please visit our website and fill out a profile. We will submit you to our clients and get back to you with some offers. Please tag and share with friends or relatives who you think might be interested. You might just change their lives. Thanks, and have a great day.